Good morning. Omar wakes up, stretches his arms wide, and jumps out of bed. He runs straight to his wardrobe. But wait, Omar picks up yesterday's clothes from the floor. He starts to put them on, not noticing anything wrong. Mom Layla walks in and sees immediately. She gently takes the clothes from Omar's hands. She points at the stains on them. Omar looks closely. His eyes go wide. He did not realize they were so dirty. Mom Layla walks to the wardrobe and opens it slowly. Inside are clean, fresh, colorful clothes. She takes out a beautiful, clean outfit and holds it up with a warm smile. So soft, so fresh, Mom Layla shows Omar where the dirty clothes belong. She places them carefully into the laundry basket. Zaid walks into the room, already dressed in clean, fresh clothes, looking bright and happy. Zaid spins around proudly, showing off his outfit. Omar laughs and takes his clean clothes, walking to the bathroom to change. He comes back out. Clean, fresh, and standing tall, Mom Layla places her hands on her heart. So proud of her boy, Zaid gives Omar a big thumbs up. Mom Layla kneels between them both and speaks warmly. Every morning, boys, we wear clean, fresh clothes. It makes us feel good and shows we care about ourselves. Omar and Zaid nod together. They understand. Omar walks to the laundry basket and puts his pajamas in properly. Zaid copies straight away, putting his towel in too. Mom Layla claps her hands. Both boys did it perfectly. Omar and Zaid stand in front of the mirror, looking at their clean, fresh outfits. Big proud smiles. Mom Layla stands behind them, all three smiling together. Omar turns to Zaid and gives him a high five. Always wear clean clothes every morning. It starts your day the right way.